Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an idea for table for two for Father's Day table setting. Simple, it's going to be simple, it's going to be elegant. So guys, I'm going to leave you to some music. So enjoy. Alright guys, in this setting I will not be using placemats. I will be using different shades of gold. And again, everything you see in this table is thrifted. You see guys, very simple, very simple. I put that together in less than what, 10 minutes. So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the candles, turn on the light, and show you all the way around, guys. I'm telling you guys, these are some very easy ideas. You cannot say that you cannot put a table together with the things that you have at home. This is stuff that I have at home. And guys, everything here from except this is the only thing that I purchased from a store. Everything or in the chargers are from the Dollar Tree that I the quarterly and the charger was purchased years ago, but everything else been from the thrift store, and of course the flowers from the dollar store, Dollar Tree for many years. In so I've reused my flowers. But yeah, guys, you could do it. So let me turn on the candles and turn off the lights. All right, guys, are you ready? This is simple. I'm telling you, in less than 10 minutes. So there you go. Guys, by the way, I'm going to be having an open collaboration for July. I'm looking for hosts. If you want to host, let me know here. And I'll message me on Instagram, okay? Or Facebook Messenger. And let me know if you want to host. I already have 5 people. I did send some messages out waiting on response. If you do not want to host, just please answer the message and say that you cannot design or you can do it because you have other plans. But don't just leave me waiting, okay? I truly appreciate. Because not everybody has everything blue. So this is an idea that you could do for a Father's Day tablescape or any occasion that you want to, or you just want to do a nice simple table for you or your hobby, your significant other. It doesn't have to be Father's Day. It could be for any occasion. I set the table like this all the time for my husband and I. You know, you have to keep things alive and just to have conversation, to enjoy each other's time. Yeah, guys. So there you have it. So, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, my friends.